Hey ladies, I wanted to come to you guys and show you something that I have recently learned. It's kind of costing me a lot of money because I made a lot of mistakes, so I want to make sure that you guys are not doing this. So I want to show you, okay, so when you go into, hold on, let me get into a party here. So I'm going to go into a party like I'm entering a photo. And so this isn't a big deal if you're not flipping your photos upside down, but I am doing that on pretty much all of mine so that they can use them as an ornament if they need to. Um, so, sorry, my computer's taking a little bit. All right, so I'm going to go in here and add a photo insert. Okay. All right, so when you go in here and add your photo, oh goodness, sorry, I should have had this maybe ready. I'm going to use one of our new family pictures because I actually need to order one of these anyways. Okay, so here's the picture, and what I had been doing was clicking this right here, this button right here, and that if there's any wording on the picture, so I had ordered some of my son's baseball pictures that say Connor 2018 on the bottom, and they're backwards. So it's kind of pointless. When they're in the wood, you can't see the name, but yeah, it doesn't do me much good. So, because I wanted to make some of them ornaments. So, if you do this, you're actually mirroring the image. So, any wording on their shirts or any wording that you add to it, if you've like gone into a different program and added like Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays or anything to it, it's going to be backwards. So, don't use that button to flip your photos around. So, you want to click these arrows right here. So, you're going to click it 1, 2, and it's going to be upside down so that that hole on these things are right there so that you can use them as ornaments. I just wanted to make sure everybody knew that because I ordered like 6 of them the wrong way, and I had wording on the pictures and wording on shirts backwards, and so I had to call home office and figure out what was going on. So I wanted you guys to know that. So if you're flipping them around, if flipping them upside down, use these arrow buttons, not this mirrored effect. All right, I hope that helps so you don't make the same mistakes I did. Bye.